Hi, everyone. I'm Sara Remsen, the CEO and co-founder of Melodi, and we help companies understand how well their agentic AI conversations are actually going. I graduated from MIT in a program called the Integrated Design and Management program, and I'm putting a lot of my human-centered design background and technical expertise into this product. So one of the things that you may notice as you interact with a bunch of different types of AI agents is that you now have this new conversation interface, which is really exciting because it opens up totally new opportunities for use cases and ways of applying this so that you can do things that you've never been able to do before. But this also introduces a ton of new challenges when it comes to actually monitoring and understanding the performance of those AI conversations, not just from a technical standpoint of latency and cost and tokens, but actually, is this answer relevant? Is this working for your customer? And part of the challenge there is that while these conversations all seem like they are different, they might actually be the same. And so it can be really challenging to understand this unstructured conversation data. What are your users doing? Are they having success? And so we see teams reaching for data scientists and doing a ton of manual analysis to just get that picture. So this is the problem that Melodi solves automatically. We have our own proprietary model that we run in-house. And essentially for our customers, we look at all of the conversations that your customers or your users are having with an assistant that you have built. So we're LLM agnostic or AI agnostic. We just need the transcripts. And we analyze and identify the places where conversations are going really well and places where conversations may not be going really well. And we provide specific recommendations for you about things that you could do on your team to actually improve those. So we heard a lot about source documentation as a key part of a lot of AI systems today. That's one of the first places that our customers reach for. So we can automatically identify, for example, like you should update your source documentation when your users from your Northeast region ask about billing, because those are the conversations that are struggling the most. So uh, and like just one more thing on the tech side of things. My co-founder used to lead AI at HubSpot and built their conversation intelligence product. And so we're leveraging a lot of that technical expertise in order to deliver a solution that's very low cost, very fast, and has delivered a ton of great results for our existing customers. So, the types of things that we're seeing, we're working with a bunch of publicly traded companies. We're 5 times cheaper than hiring a data scientist, 30 times faster than doing manual analysis. Our customers love us. And the specific use cases that our customers are often working on are things like an AI-powered product or feature, their own internal work, like their own internal assistant for knowledge management or for sales or for customer success. And so we're able to provide those metrics and AI identified issues to help them actually improve those models and deliver on the ROI that they need to. So we are looking to connect with folks if you're building any of these AI assistants or AI agents in-house, if you're looking for a new type of analytics tool, or if you're thinking about expanding your offerings and extending them, we're also looking for partners. I should also add we're industry agnostic. The key thing here is that you are building these AI agents or assistants in-house. So thank you.
So do you take the ground truth from customers to validate? And also, how do you compare with tools like Langsmith, et cetera, for the validation?
Yep. So tools like Langsmith are perfect for teams that really care about the engineering metrics, again, like latency and things like that. So pretty much all of our customers often choose a platform like that first, and then they realize that they need Melodi for those like product and operations teams to actually report ROI that's relative to the customers. Like, are the customers having success? So we sit on top of a Langsmith or someone else like that. And then in terms of how our tech actually works, we look at an initial sample of conversations. We look at all of the ones that have feedback from external users or internal users, and we use that to effectively like calibrate our model according to like what is good, like where a conversation is successful and where a conversation is not successful, that we can then extrapolate onto net new conversations. And it's customized to every user, or sorry, every customer and every use case.